We stay 10 toes to the ground.
You're damn right.
Catching bars, let me break this shit down.
You're damn right. Craig Squad to the end. This for me and my skin. So let's dive on in. Yeah, dive on in.
Hands is right, man, coming at you again with another reaction. You're damn right. Guys and gals, skins and skinettes, I hope that you're ready for this one, y'all. I know that I am. The song that we're going to react to today is called Pocket Watch. You're damn right. Done by the one and only Mr. Ryan Upchurch, the living legend. Guys and gals, before we dive on in, you already know what I'm going to say. Please, 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 let me get one of these. Comment at the bottom. Let me know what you like. Also hit that red bell and that red subscribe button so you know whenever I drop another video. You're damn right. Are you ready? I know that I am. Now let's dive on in. This is Pocket Watch. Ha ha. Okay. Let's get lit.
Man, don't you do ballin', southern slang just like a Cajun. Blowing yellow perk, cold B, check the flavor. Half court, too easy shit. I should've been a Laker, but I'm on that bullshit. I got Michael Jordan paper.
Hey! The half court shit too easy. I should have been a Laker. Let's go. Let's go. But what do you say about Jordan paper, bro? Let's go. Man, talk your shit, church. Talk your shit, Bubba. What the fuck, man? Let's go.
Southern slang just like a Cajun. Blowing yellow perk, cold B, check the flavor. Half court, too easy.
Blowing yellow, bro. Blowing yellow perp. Yellow and purple, bruh. Half court's too easy. I should have been a Laker, bro. Come on, bro. That just gave me fucking goosebumps, bro. What the fuck, man? Come on, bruh.
Blowing yellow perk, cold B, check the flavor. Half court, too easy shit. I should've been a Laker, but I'm on that bullshit. I got Michael Jordan paper.
But I'm on that bullshit. I got Michael Jordan paper. Man, the Bulls, I'll be on that bullshit. I got Jordan paper. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Ain't nobody rapping out here like that, bro. Come on, church. Let's go, Bubba. Bruh, he y'all hear the freaking, the buzzer beater? Man, come on, bro. Come on, bro. I want to know who put that in, bro. I want to know if that was Church's idea, whose idea that, bro. It was probably his. It was probably his. That's that creative shit. It wouldn't doubt it. Wouldn't doubt it. Let's do it. Let's get back into it. You're damn right. And we are 23 seconds in. Michael Jordan, bro. That shit is fucking crazy, dog.
But I'm on that bullshit. I got Michael Jordan paper. Dog, I'm basket robbing. Stop got 23 flavors. Rocky top.
Basket Robbins. Still got 23 flavors. I can't stop pausing it, bro. That shit goes too fucking hard, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro.
Michael Jordan paper.
Okay.
Dog, I'm basket robbing. Stop got 23 flavors. Rocky top, rocky road. Pass a mitten on my record so they go inside museums. I'm the golden volunteer and I'm over my career. Savage yet is so sincere.
Yeah.
Raised up.
Bro, say that shit fucking again. Say it again. Say it again because it's fucking true. You're damn right. Speak it out. Let's go.
Rocky top, rocky road. Pass a mitten on my record so they go inside museums. I'm the golden volunteer and I'm over my career. Savage yet is so sincere. Raised up, gun toting, back and chewing, chain smoking, fuck a trespass sign. Man, my gate ain't never open. Bust you down like Tatiana. If you shit my southern comfort, then I say my ass was scared. Can't you tell by my emotions? A time I wasn't crazy. Once upon a time the atmosphere was too rainy. Once upon a time mainstream tried to play me. Once upon a time I was timeless in the making.
Once upon a time, mainstream trying to say that shit again. Ooh, man, bro, I felt that shit, bro. Come on. Say that shit again, Bo.
Once upon a time, the atmosphere was too rainy.
Once upon a time, the atmosphere was too rainy, man. It was coming down on them, man.
Once upon a time, mainstream tried to
Play
play
me.
me. Once
No.
upon a time, I was timeless in the making.
Once upon a time, I like that. I like that. I was timeless in the making. You're damn right.
Ain't enough diamonds for your TikTok. 12 zeros in my face, no wristwatch.
12 zeros in my face, no wristwatch. Ah.
Ain't lending helping hands, check the ghost clock. No minutes for you people trying to pocket watch.
Bruh, say that shit again, man. I want to hear that shit again. Man, fucking shit.
Zeros in my face, no wristwatch. I ain't lending helping hands, check the ghost clock. No minutes for you people trying to pocket watch.
Ah!
I ain't street at all, shit, I guess I'm gravel. Hillbilly headed up to the Drake level. Yeah. Hit him with the blue suede, till it kicks blue cane.
Hillbilly headed to the Drake level. Ah! Man, look, hey, say that shit again, Bo.
Pocket watch. I ain't street at all, shit, I guess I'm gravel.
I ain't street at all. Shit, I guess I'm gravel.
Hillbilly headed up to the Drake level. Yeah. Hit him
Yeah. Yeah. I like that shit, man. Yeah. Headed up to that Drake level. Yeah. Like he's singing like Drake. Fuck yeah.
gravel. Hillbilly headed up to the Drake level.
Yeah.
Hit him with the blue suede, till it kicks blue cane. Titties bouncing all around me, I don't own 2 chains. Man, I dribble venom rhythm.
Titties bouncing around me. I don't own 2 chains. Ah, let's go.
The system, bitch, I'm winning. 3 X's up on the juggle. Jerry Springer when we swinging. We don't fight for television. We got heat you can't extinguish. Spitting fire.
We don't fight for television, boy. Say that shit again. Say that shit again. You're damn right.
Up on the juggle. Jerry Springer when we swinging. We don't fight for television. We got heat you can't extinguish. Spitting fire like Charizard.
We got heat you can't extinguish. You can't extinguish like an extinguisher. We got that heat. Ah, say that shit again. You're damn right. You're damn right.
Juggle Jerry Springer when we swinging. We don't fight for television. We got heat you can't extinguish. Spitting fire like Charizard. So stamp me as a first edition. So many bars.
Bro, spitting fire like Charizard. Oh my gosh, bro. You brought the Pokemon in this shit, bro. You damn right, church, bro. I love you, bro. You brought the Pokemon in this bitch. Shit.
We don't fight for television. We got heat you can't extinguish. Spitting fire like Charizard. So stamp me as a first edition.
Bro, I like the way he said the Charizard. Charizard. I like that shit, man. Spitting fire like a Charizard. Like, bruh, church can fit any fucking word in a rap song. I swear to you. This dude is a genius.
Fight for television. We got heat you can't extinguish. Spitting fire like Charizard. So stamp me as a first edition. So many bars at my house. Now it is a prison. Rappers
So many bars at my house. Yes, so now it is a prison. Ah, come on, bro.
got me fucked up. My next single gon' be prohibition. Superstars are prohibition. Always trying to cop positions. But I know what I am and I carry lots of ammunition.
But I know who I am, man, and I carry lots of ammunition. Bruh, say that. I gotta hear that. I gotta hear it again, y'all. I'm sorry. Shit, I gotta hear that shit. Say that shit again.
Rappers got me fucked up. My next single gon' be prohibition. Superstars are prohibition. Always trying to cop positions. But I know
Always trying superstars. What do you say about superstars?
rappers got me fucked up. My next single gon' be prohibition. Superstars are prohibition. Always trying to cop positions. But I know what I am and
Something bitching. Something bitching. Something bitching.
rappers got me fucked up. My next single gon' be prohibition. Superstars are prohibition. Always trying to cop positions.
Now they trying to cop position.
I know what I am and I carry lots of ammunition. Once
and I know who I am, and I carry lots of ammunition. Oh gosh, bruh. See that shit again.
You know it's trying to cut positions, but I know what I am and I carry lots of ammunition. Once upon a time I wasn't crazy. Once upon a time the atmosphere was too rainy. Once upon a time mainstream tried to play me. Once upon a time I was Ain't enough dollars for your TikTok. 12 zeros in my face, no wrist.
Watch, yeah.
I ain't lending helping hands, check the ghost clock. No minutes for you people trying to
Pocket watch. Ooh. Trying to pocket watch. Yeah. Banger, you damn right. Boy. Church on his motherfucking shit, y'all. Whoo! Hey, and I know I always say this, but I don't give a fuck, man. I'm gonna keep on saying it, man. Ain't nobody out here rapping like Church. Nobody. Ain't nobody making music like Church right now. So, you can say what you want to call me, biased, call me whatever the fuck it is. I don't give a fuck, man. I don't give a damn. It's my motherfucking opinion. You're damn right. And that's the truth. You ain't gotta believe me. You ain't gotta go with it. It is what it is. If you don't like it, go kick some motherfucking rocks. You damn right. Ha ha! Guys and gals, you already know what I'm gonna say. Please, 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 go over to the song. This is gonna drop after he drops the song. Again, this is another unreleased the church has blessed us with. Thank you, church. You're damn right. Guys and gals, like I said, go over, comment, share, like it, do what you got to do. You're damn right. I appreciate you guys watching this. And yeah, you're damn right. You already know what I'm going to say. Peace, love, and happiness. Stay up, stay positive thinking, stay positive speaking. You're damn right. Peace!
Creek squad to the end. This for me and my skin. Let's Creek squad to the end. This is for my skins. Yeah, I'm the best on the reaction. I got the head on the verse. Shout out OG, straight from Tennessee. Shout out Wee Wee. Yeah, and Chat Arms TV, dropping bangers too. If you wanna listen, go on over on my tube. Can't just rebel man spitting it, and if you ain't with it, you gon' have to get with it. Yeah,
We stay 10 toes to the ground.
damn right.
Kitchen bars, let me break this shit down.
Damn right. Creek squad to the end. This for me and my skin. So let's dive on in. Yeah, dive on